Changzhou Cheeron Construction Machinery Equipment Company, Limited, is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates product research and development, production, sales, and service. Under the guidance of the concept of excellence, innovation, integrity, unity, professionalism and efficiency, the company has developed a team full of enthusiasm and wisdom. Through persistence and innovation, Cheeron has provided an optimized industrial chain for the industry. Cheeron through independent research and development. Our main products are seamless steel pipes, rib peeling and rolling thread system, upset forging type, T63 reinforcing sleeve, cold extrusion press connection, grout sleeve, taper threaded coupler, epoxy rebar coupler, weldable connection steel coupler, screw sleeve, one-touch quick rebar coupler, screw-in split sleeve, anchor sleeve, hollow rock bolt accessories, sawing and grinding machine type 50, CNC automatic wire rolling machine, rebar thread rolling machine, etc. Advanced production equipment is the absolute guarantee of strong production capacity. The company has more than 200 sets of advanced machining center, CNC lathe, turret milling machine, vertical drilling machine, CNC pipe cutting machine, automatic tapping machine, piercing machine, cold rolling machine, straightening machine, and other processing equipment, with an annual output of 50 million of various types of connecting sleeves, 10,000 tons of various types of seamless steel pipes, with strong technical and economic strength. The quality of steel bar rolling straight thread machine tools, connecting sleeves and railway tunnel anchors produced by Cheeron has reached the leading level in China. In every detail of production, Cheeron people reveal their ingenuity and dedication to products with zero defects. The core technology and ingenuity quality accumulated over the years have become the cornerstone of Cheeron's development and a powerful weapon to face the international market competition. Miracle is always born in a place with dreams. Cheeron has won many honors, and has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, and won many patents and awards. Strict consideration inspection is an important label to measure products. Cheeron Quality Inspection Team will be strict quality control standards throughout the entire industry chain. The diversity of products and high-end quality make the company more competitive in the market. The company adhere to the people-oriented, knowledge and good responsibility of the policy based on the global market for efficiency. Pay attention to customer needs with excellent products to promote the sustainable and steady development of enterprises. After years of market development and precipitation, Cheeron's products are widely used in high-speed, subway, hydropower station, bridge, tunnel and other fields at home and abroad, and received unanimous praise. Keep your mind high and follow your dreams. Full of Cheeron people's hopes and dreams, in the transformation and upgrading and innovation and development, sail forward.